Okay, so we are here in London on Old Bold Street. I don't know whether you know where that is and what this street is all about, but
Hello, old spot.
But if you ever been to London, you're probably going to realise that there is obviously a massive amount of shops, high-end designer shops that are outside of many people's price range. And this is what I want to talk to you about in this quick vlog from London. The easiest way to buy those things is to go to a shop and buy them. But I think if you recognise that you don't need the Dolce & Gabbana of this world, or Omega, or you don't have to go to a shop and spend £2 on a coat or some sort of bracelet or something like that, all of a sudden your life may be happier. Actually, you may actually feel as if you're doing something that it's enjoyable. Like you, for instance, could go to Omega and buy yourself a nice watch, but you could also do that by going to, for instance, watchfinder.com or watchfinder.co.uk and actually buy something that is maybe 40% off, 50% off, maybe something that is used. Go on eBay, try to find some Gucci stuff on eBay. Try to find some other bits and pieces that you may actually enjoy more because you've got a deal, as opposed to just you went to the shop and bought something for pounds, shilling and pence. So I think the main message here is you can always, of course, buy something for thousands of pounds if you wanted to, but I think the big value here is that you can go on eBay, go on other places, go on used stuff sites and actually get those stuff for less. And that's what I'm always encouraging my clients to do. Go and try to figure it out, a way to sponsor your life and the way you can get things for a lot less. So you can, of course, go on Old Bold Street and get yourself the best things that you possibly can afford. But some of those shops haven't got even price tags on those things. So who's that for? Who would actually want to spend money without even realizing how much things cost? So I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether that's something I would ever be interested in doing. But one thing I know for sure is it's definitely stuff for inspiration. You can go to Paul Smith, you can go to Dolce & Gabbana, you can go to Gucci, you can go to Dax, you can go to Russell & Bromley, whoever else is in there, and just see what's trendy, what's not. They obviously have got the best designers. You can go to Tiffany, you can stay in the sort of nicest restaurants, hotels and places and just look around. I mean, London is such an inspiration for that, but not necessarily you want to go there and spend money there. I was never a big fan of sort of £1,000 t-shirts and some ridiculously overpriced stuff. I'm more of a classic guy, a guy who wants to dress good on a budget, in a way that you're never going to spend thousands of pounds on things that you're going to wear 5-10 times at most. Use that Old Bold Street, use those places to sort of get yourself a good, nice inspiration. Think about things you can be wearing every season, and then just draw on that and enjoy, and maybe find substitutes, maybe find used items from these particular brands. You're just gonna be happy doing so, because all of a sudden your wallet is definitely gonna recognize that. I think that's the end of this. There's lots of nice cars. We are in Mayfair at the end of the day here in London for this vlog. London is nice, but only in those places where nice things are around you. Yeah, I could live in here on Mayfair. No problem. Enjoy your shopping, enjoy your clothing, enjoy things that you can afford. You should never go into debt for things, you know, that are things like clothes. You know, always trying to figure out if you haven't got a budget for this, find a way to either sponsor it somehow, find a way to get it on cheap, you know, get more money, whatever else, but never sort of buy on credit. This is ridiculous, you know. Don't forget to stay stylish.